Introducing Zoom Whiteboard, an innovative collaboration platform you can access from any device during or outside of a meeting. Sketch out your latest brilliant idea, map out and diagram a workflow, or plan an upcoming event to make sure it's a smashing success. There are 3 primary ways to access Zoom Whiteboard, so let's dive in and see it in action. From the Zoom desktop application, click on Whiteboards in the top navigation. If you don't see this option, it means that your Zoom account administrator may have disabled the feature. Here you can quickly access, update, and share whiteboards with others. Let's create a new whiteboard from scratch by clicking New in the upper right corner. Immediately, a fresh whiteboard is created where you can give it a title and use a variety of tools to help you convey your ideas. We just got budget approval for new office equipment, but I want to hear from my team about what matters the most to them. I'll add a few pictures and some text as I prepare for our upcoming team meeting to finalize our plan. Once in a Zoom meeting with my team, I click Whiteboards from the main toolbar to see this whiteboard and any others I have access to. While the option to create a new whiteboard is available, I'll select the board I previously created, check the box to allow attendees to access the whiteboard after the meeting, ensure that all participants can edit, and click Open and Collaborate. Now all participants can edit the whiteboard to share their ideas in real time. As the team collaborates, it becomes clear that standing desks is the most popular option. Now that we have decided a winner, it's time to run this by the finance team for final approval. I'll click Share, then type in the name of a Zoom chat channel called Budget Approval. This group will only need commenter access. In the Budget Approval chat channel, the shared whiteboard appears in an automated message with a thumbnail preview and a direct link to access. To see all of the whiteboards shared in a channel, click More Actions in the upper right corner and expand Whiteboards to browse and access them all. A member of the finance team opens the board, reviews it, and adds a comment with feedback. One final way to access, edit, and share a whiteboard is through the Zoom web portal. Once logged in, select Whiteboard from the left-hand menu or the upper right corner to access your whiteboards. Whiteboards that you have created and those that have been shared with you are all available here as well. Whether you're in a touch-enabled Zoom room, sketching ideas out on a tablet, or in a meeting, Zoom Whiteboard gives you and your team the ability to collaborate whenever and wherever inspiration strikes.